Hi, my name is Houry, and I'm the Director of Safety at TuSimple. In this episode, we're going to be talking about safety and what it takes to responsibly develop, deploy, and scale Level 4 autonomous trucking technology to the real world. At TuSimple, safety is a foundational part of our company culture, and we approach the topic of safety holistically across our organization. Everything we do, from the technology we develop, to the processes we follow, to the suppliers we choose to work with, is grounded in the safety-first principles. We understand that as a leader in autonomous trucking, we must develop new technologies responsibly and keep the public and our people safe along the way. At TuSimple, we believe it is our responsibility to be standards-based to the maximum practical extent, to remain ahead of future AV-specific standardization, and to be able to prove the comparative benefits of our technologies. Developing a safe and reliable Level 4 autonomous driving system is one of the most challenging problems ever taken on, and given the complexity of the problem, we chose to supplement the current automotive industry regulations around safety by incorporating the concept of substantive safety into our programs. We go beyond basic compliance standards to quantitatively produce the safest Level 4 autonomous driving system on the road. At TuSimple, we prioritize accountability and compliance and pride ourselves on developing new technologies, maturing those technologies for safety-critical operations, and then integrating these technologies into our autonomous driving system. We believe a holistic safety approach should utilize leading automotive and technology standards, but also requires the use of nominal safety standards and substantive safety principles for a more comprehensive safety approach that address the most relevant safety aspects of autonomous driving. At TuSimple, we apply the following safety standards, disciplines, and principles. Functional safety. We utilize the functional safety standard to reduce the risks of simple and complex systems so they function safely in the event there is an electrical or electronic malfunction. We also apply the safety of the intended function standard, which addresses the sufficiency of the intended function in the absence of failures. This standard is highly relevant for automated systems in removing unreasonable risk of functional insufficiencies or foreseeable human misuse. Substantive safety. Although there is not a standard available that fully addresses this area of safety, we utilize substantive safety principles to address the safety of non-deterministic behaviors of autonomy functions in the absence of failures. Substantive safety is a data-driven approach focused on designing a safety envelope for algorithmic modules developed using machine learning tools and methods. Operational safety. Operational safety helps us address the operator hazards during day-to-day operations. Although our technology is targeting Level 4 driverless applications, we still believe there is a considerable number of operators that interact directly or indirectly with autonomous trucks. Product safety. Quality management systems are the industry standard in automotive engineering. At TuSimple, we expand the scope of QMS to cover safety hazards due to non-detectable mechanical issues, serviceability, and maintainability. It includes pre-trip inspections, service hazards, and maintenance hazards. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity and functional safety are tightly coupled together around safety-critical systems. This discipline covers every stage of a vehicle's life cycle, from design to decommissioning. It applies to vehicle electronic systems, components, software, and external connectivity. It provides a structured process to ensure that cybersecurity considerations are incorporated into automotive products throughout their lifetime. While we apply a holistic approach to safety that spans across our organization, our commitment to safety doesn't end there. We put every new autonomous driving feature through an exhaustive set of testing that includes simulation, regeneration testing, bench testing, track testing, and finally, road testing, with a certified professional safety driver behind the wheel. This concludes our episode on safety. I hope you have found this session to be both interesting and informative. You can learn more about TuSimple and our technologies by visiting TuSimple.com.